Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thanks to my supervisor, Mr. Yana SPD MHUM and Mr. Lukman Arif Rahmat MPD for always guiding and helping me in completing in this research paper. Allow me introduce myself. My name is Diogan Lesmana with ID number 18220351. English Education Study Program, Language Education Faculty in IKIP Siliwangi. In this occasion, allow me to present my research paper with the title Developing Student Worksheet of Simple Past Tense Through Scientific Approach, assisted by comic strip in teaching writing skills to 8th grade student of junior high school. In this presentation, I have divided several sections. The first, background of the research. The second is objective of the research. The third is method of the research. Fourth is a result of the research, and the last, conclusion and suggestion. In these sections, I have elaborated the general outline in this research based on the need analysis that the researchers done in SMPN 9 Cimahi. The researchers found several needs and problems, such as the textbooks that they use in the class still lacks exercise, the student difficult to make word and sentence using the simple past tense. The last, the student and teachers needed an interesting worksheet. So the researchers plan to developing student worksheet of simple past tense through scientific approach, assisted by comic strip in teaching writing to 8th grade student of junior high school. And there are several variables in this research. The first, worksheet. According to Utami and Rahmania 2019, worksheets are also used to help students handle any challenge by helping them identify a concept on their own. Next, scientific approach. According to INRILA 2018, scientific approach is through scientific approach students study and build knowledge. And the last, according comic strip, according to Febri, comic strip is a short series of visual with a narrative and a few messages. So, based on the explanation above, it can be concluded that all of the variable, when it being collaborated, it can be good solution for the problem. This research has several goals to be achieved by the researchers. First, to identify the process of developing student worksheet of simple past tense through scientific approach assisted by comic strip. The second is to investigate the feasibility of developing student worksheet of simple past tense through scientific approach assisted by comic strip. The third is to find out the teachers and student respond toward the simple past tense material developing using comic strip. The last is to investigate the obstacle in developing student worksheet of simple past tense through scientific approach assisted by comic strip. And this research, the researcher use and this research, the research method, the researcher use research and developing method adopt from Borg and Gall 1971. According to Trisandi and Riau 2021, research and development is a method that creates something and their effectiveness. Uh, there was several procedures used in this research. The research procedure such as data collecting, planning, developing preliminary file, main product revision testing, main field testing, operational product revision, operational field testing, final product revision, dissemination, and distribution. The subject of the research, the first English teachers, uh, 30 students for main field testing, and 18 students for operational field testing. There were there were the instrument that the researcher used in this research. The first felt note. File note its aim to get data of the researcher obstacles. The first questionnaire is used to know teachers and student respond toward the product, and the last validation sheet is used to get the visibility of the product. Based on all the process conducted by the researchers get the several results in this research. The first was the process to develop the product. The researchers conducted several stages. The first, data collection. In this stage, need analysis and preliminary studies. Next, planning. In this stage, made a product outline. Developing preliminary product. In this stage, made a draft product. The next, preliminary field testing. In this stage is a validation from validator and instrument validation. Next, main product revision. Revision product based on validator advice. Main field testing. In this stage, test to 30 students and questionnaire for teacher and students. Operational product revision. In this stage, revise based on questionnaire feedback from teacher and students. Operational field testing, test to 80 students and questionnaire for teachers and students. Final product revision, the last stage of revision product based on questionnaire feedback from teacher and student. Last, dissemination and distribution. Because the limitation of the time found in this research. The second one was the feasibility of the product based on the validator assessment. The result of validation index was 1.0. It showed that the content validity was very high. with Sutrisna 2018. In other words, this worksheet could be used at school. The third one was the teacher and student response to the product. The students' response were third student worksheet from main field testing and operational field testing increase. The student response were in a range of 61 until 18, which was strong. Then the teacher result was in the range of 81 until 100, which is indicate very strong according to Ridwan 2013. There was some obstacle during this research. The first matched the stage of the exercise, that synthetic scientific approach. The second is adjustment the English lesson timetable. And the last, some students did not understand the instruction, the meaning of some word. Based on all the result, the conclusion were the process and result of developing student worksheet of simple past tense through scientific approach assisted by comic strip was running almost well. Then the student worksheet could be used. The second is the feasibility of student worksheet of simple past tense through scientific approach assisted by comic strip based on indicator that has been validated by the validator show 1.0, which indicated very high. The third, teachers and student response to student worksheet of simple past tense through scientific approach assisted by comic strip, but very good response. The last, there were some obstacle in developing student worksheet of simple past tense through scientific approach assisted by comic strip, but the research could be solved. After getting the conclusion of this research, something that can be given by the research are suggestions for teacher, for student, and for the researcher. For teacher, the researcher suggests that the teacher can use the student worksheet of simple past tense because it suits with the student needs. For student, it's necessary that student can be more interested and improve student motivation by using the student worksheet. For the researcher recommend the other researcher to look a new media and approach to make it not be monotonous. I think that all for my explanation. I'm sorry if there are any mistakes. Thank you for your time. Thank you for opportunity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.